Dynamic factory environments break traditional rule-based machine vision. Overview AI equips engineers with AI-native, NVIDIA-powered edge cameras built for real factory floors. With 256 gigabytes of storage and dedicated compute, inference runs directly on the edge. This supports complex, multi-head models and on-device image retention for stable recipe backtesting. Production data never leaves the facility, keeping deployments compliant with ITAR, IP-sensitive programs, and regulated supply chains. Running segmenter and classifier heads in parallel at line speed, cameras detect multi-class defects and sub-pixel micro-scratches on any surface. This objective data turns unpredictable yield drops into actionable process problems. Go from first image to live inspection in under an hour. The system guides you through dialing in lighting, locking template alignments to handle part drift, and defining inspection regions. Annotate to train directly on the camera, then run a live preview. Fully queryable defect library, not a black box pass-fail. Most AI vision systems stall, needing thousands of defect images. Defect Studio solves this, using generative diffusion to synthesize exact failure modes. Scratches, discolorations, or deformations are painted exactly where they belong. Starting with just 4 to 20 real images, build a production-ready recipe in under an hour. Train models before the line ever produces scrap. Integration natively supports Ethernet/IP, Profinet, OPC UA, and Modbus TCP. The integration builder turns natural language inspection logic into a deployable node-RED flow, auto-testing camera data with one-click fixes. Edge inference, generative defect data, native PLC integration. Thousands of cameras are already deployed across global manufacturing lines. See it work on your own parts. Visit Overview AI to book a demo today.